Start the recording. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, and run it. So now you can see here is so many images, like in a whole page, like in every space we have some image, right? So now for removing this, we are doing background repeat, right? Background repeat is no repeat. Just a second. No repeat. Now if you are going to here and you can see clearly, now we have only one image, right? But we don't want this image is like this. We want it, this image is covered a whole like space, right? 100% entire entire page. But this is only like cover only like this little part, right? But we don't want this. So what we are doing, we are simply use that background cover and attachment fix. So you have to simply use background attachment equal to fixed. Okay, and next one is background size equal to cover. Okay, now whenever we are going to here and we can see, now you can see this is a cover whole page, entire page, right? Now our paragraph is this one and our background image is cover the whole page. So like this you can, if but if you don't want to like use like whole page, then like you want to only that part which is covered your text, then you can simply use background stretch. Okay, you can background for stretching you can use background size. Here is 100%. So this is what it can do is this is stretching your file, like your image, sorry, not the file, your image. Okay, so now if you are going to here and see here, now you can see your file is stretching. But that time it's showing like this. um, See here, it is stretching, but whenever you are do the cover, then it is not, it is like included full of the image, right? See here, but whenever you are going to 100%, then this image will be stretching. Just a second. So now see here, this is like this, it looks like this. Whenever it is stretching, then it is looks like this, right? So like this you can use these properties for your image and you can like establish your image. Okay, now it's clear for you, right? Okay, so now we have already covered the image. Now we have next is table. So in table we are we will learn about how we can use the table in HTML. Okay, so for yeah, so let's get started.
Would you build an email tables or would you build a report
Like
and just have tables inside if you need to call out something?
yes, like this is the tables properties, like how we can add the columns, row, like this by using the HTML.
Okay.
Okay. Devin, give me 1 minute. I'll just back. Hi Devin, let's start. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So basically, tables is very important in our uh, web content or everything, right? We can add some users name, or we can add some products on their features or some another things by the table, right? So simply we are we are starting simply adding some 1 to 2 tables, and then we can use the one by one. Okay, so simple, if I am talking about the simple table, and then so there is one is here we are using tr, that is t row, ts, that is like ta- uh, like tr is td is data that is table data, and th is that is table header. So let me show you one by one. So now here,
So TR is table row, TH is table header.
yes, correct. So here you have to all whenever you are using the table, then you have to use one of the and that is a tag, that is table tag. Okay, so inside this you can use your table. So first your table tag, and then your table row. Okay, that is tr. Okay, after this you have to add your table header for this. Okay, and here you can use your table name, which is column, like that. So this is table row and this is column, suppose I have here use some um, abc. Okay, and I have entered, and again use th. Okay, here I have used xyz. Okay, again I have used th, like this. Okay, so now again this is our first column, and then we want to use some second column also. So I am simply copying these things. Okay, so now this is the your column. Okay, now you have to use the data. So you have to simply use td for the table data. Okay, so this is your data. So here you can use your data. Okay, suppose here you have used some company contact, or suppose here you have used some name, like this you have better understanding. Okay, name, and suppose city, and suppose not the city, here is country, and here we can use salary. Okay, so like this. Now this is your table column name. Now we need to add some data here, right? Suppose I have used first name is some abc. Okay, and use this for second one, and here I have used country is us, and suppose I have used another one, and salary is just some $200, $2,000, like this. Okay. So suppose this is the your first data table. Now I want one more data table for like this. Okay, and table data. So I have uses this copy this one and just paste here, and here I have simply XYZ. I have used some suppose in England or anything. Keep in 250. Okay, so now whenever I have now this is your table data. Okay, so now I'll show you how it's look like. Screen is visual for you, right?
Yes.
So now here I have to simply go to here and see here. Here your table is name, country, and salary, and here your this USA, and country name is USA, and salary is $200. Okay, let me comment this. Okay, otherwise all the text is in above in the image. I think now it's good. Yeah, now you can see here we have only this. We don't have any like border or anything, right? For that we can use the border. So you can add some space like this, so that if I am name, country, and salary, like this it is present. Okay, for use the this we need to use some border. Okay, so let me show you how we can use the border. So now it's understand, right, how we can create the table, simply table, right? So let me show you how to create the border inside this. So basically simply you don't think and don't do anything, so you can simply go to there in your style, and you can simply use that border. So like this. Screen is visible for you, right?
Yeah, super cool.
Okay. Okay, let me share. Once it's visible, then let me know.
This is in the VS Code.
Yeah. So now see, this is your table name, right? But now I want to use some border also, right? So you have to simply add that border in your style. So what you can do, like suppose I am using here one of the headings, that is H2, and here I am this H customer details table. Okay, so like this. So now I am using I have to use inside this style. Okay, I have to use one of the, let me comment this out. Okay, I'm comment this above image properties. Okay, so now I am using here border for that table. So you have to simply use that border. Okay, so border is simply here is one of the this properties border, and here you can see one pixel. Okay, and solid black, solid black. Okay, like this you can use. So now if you are go to your here, give me 1 second. I think it's fluctuated. Okay, so now if you are going to here and you can refresh this page. Okay, it's added whole the, see here I am not described whole of the things, right? So that's why it is added for whole of the tables. So I just wanted to describe here that is for th comma td, right? I want the border only in this. So this you can use the like use your border. So now it's if it's visible, then let me know.
Okay.
Screen is visible for you, right?
No, just from
So which one is visual? Which like which page you can see?
Just US account right now.
Okay. So now you can see here this is the TH and TD. You want to use your border in these two, right? So but you have to define your TH and TD inside your this is inside your inside your table, right? So you have to use here your table also. Give me 1 second. I'll just remove here. And I am copying this, like comment this whole thing. Once again, why it is not working? Okay, so now here I can use what is, so here I have I can use your table. Okay, inside that table your your th and tt is inside your table, right? Table tag. So that's why you have to use this one. Why previously we are using body? Because are all the content, this content is inside the body, this content. TH, TD. Now you have to simply use that inside the, okay. So table, this is your table, and inside this table you have TH and TD, right? So now here you can use your that border pixel things. Okay, now it's understood, right? Or I can explain.
What's that one? Table, the TH, the
Yes. So
blue,
yes. So this,
with this and
correct, correct.
okay.
So let me refresh this page. Now you can see here, and now we have border, right?
Yes, I see.
So like this you can use your table properties. So here if you want another color, then you can use that one also. Suppose I am using red, and then you can clearly see here your table color, border color is has been changed, right?
Right.
There is another also another features also inside this. So let me explain that one also. because in the tables you have so many things, right? So like how we can thick your border, and how we can like manage these things. If we have some another data, then how we can manage that one also, right? So, and this is your simple table, right? So this is your simple tables, like how we can create a table, and how we can use this table, like how we can add one simple border. So this is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we are, yeah, now we are going to the border section. So like here, how to add a border in different format, like this is the one things, right? We are using one types, like one pixel, solid black or solid red, like this, right? But you can clearly see like there is some collapse border, not like a double lines exist, right? Not the simple one, simply one border, line border, right? So there is some collapse. So like for that you can use for ignoring that, you can use collapse table. So let me show you that one also. So after that you can style your tables, like if you want like color on your table, round tables border, then you can use that one also. Let me show you one by one. So there is some dotted, dashed, solid, double, group. These type of tables also exist. So like you can use that one in like your table. Like if you want to dot it, then you have to use some border style is dotted. Like this you can use. Okay, let me show you one by one. Okay, so now it's so now I am like we can see here like this one, like we have one border, and that border's content is collapse, right? So like here you can clearly see we have border, but there is two lines in every borders, right? So now what we can do, we can simply go to here, and we can use this, like border collapse is equal to collapse. So by using these features you can ignore your collapse. And now after this you can see your single line only. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now see here your single line is exist now. So let me
Okay, I see.
give, this is black. Black is looks like good. Now see here. Here you can see clearly your border is and now single line, not the collapse, right? So if I am using here, by using the two pixel, you can see your now your border border line is thick, little bit thick, right? Like this you can add your thickness on your a border line also. Like suppose I am using, give this 5 pixel, so now you can see this is very thick. See here, right? So I am giving right now it's 2 pixel. Okay, so now this is clear, right? How when it is collapsed, then we are using this feature collapse tables, and it is avoid having double border that which you have previously seen, right? So now we have some style table border. So if you set a background color of each cells and give the borders some impression of an individual border, then you can use this one. So sorry, what did you say? Devin? I'm not get it. Okay. Okay. Now it's clear, or it's still breaking? Let me change my network once.
No, I can hear you now.
You can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now here, another things is I am talking about. I was talking about another thing is our style table border. So in here, by using this, you can set your background color of each cell. Okay. So whenever you are using this, suppose this is your table, right? So okay, so this is your tables style, right? Now I want to use only in TH and TD. Okay, I want to only use some color inside the cells. So like this, you can use some background colors in here. Suppose I am using background color this one, aqua. So now if I am going to here and I am refresh this one, then you can clearly see now our cell is colored, right? I'm audible, right? And Devin?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it's clear for you, right?
Yeah, I can see the voice.
You are only seeing the VS code.
Yeah.
Shit. What is going on? Let me reshare. Once it's visible, then let me know. Okay, now it's clear, right? How we can use the background color. So now we can see here. Now this page is visible, web page. Okay, once it's visible, then let me know. VS Code is also visible, or this is also black for you?
It's still black.
Okay, let me reshare. Let me change my network just a second. Now let me reshare. Okay, now it's visible.
Yeah, the team is visible. Yeah, BSO is visible.
Okay, so now you can see this web page.
Still BSO. Now see the web page.
Okay, so now here you can see I have added some color, right, in background color. Now after adding this, you can clearly see your table is now colorful, right? So like this you can use some color also in your table, so for style your table borders. Okay, hello Devin.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, so now this border style color is clear for you, right? Now we have another
Yes.
things is like round table border. Like I don't want like this. I now I want this table's shape is round. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
now for this we are using some border radius properties, and we can use this one. Okay, so let me border radius. Okay, so you have to use border radius, and here I am using some 10 pixel. Okay, so now when I am going to here and refresh this page, now you can see because this is not visual because we have not any like collapsed border, so I need to remove this one. Okay, so I can use single line comment for this. Okay, so now if now I am going to here and use this one, then you can see now your borders table looks like a round shape, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, so now you can see like it looks like round shape. So like this you can style your border also. Okay, so suppose I am here using some table style is 100%, some style in line equal to width is to 100%. Okay, so now if you are going to here and fresh here, now you can see your now your tables grab all the space, right? Now its width is 100%. Like this you can use these features and you can style your tables. So now after this um, like you can style your tables. So now this is all about the tables. Now another things about the tables, so we have so many tables, like we have dotted, dashed table, solid table, this is our solid because we have solid this is solid border, right? This is not any dashed or something like that. So like this you can use double, this is double border, also double group, ridge border, inset, outset, this type of borders there is. So like suppose I am using the some dotted border. Okay, so so you have to simply use here border style dotted. Okay, So now whenever you are going to here and clicks like this, you use like this, so you can use here and see here your border is now dotted, right? So if you want to use this, suppose dashed, so that's dashed, and then you can see here your borders looks like dashed, right? So this is the border types. So like this you can define your border simply. So like dashed, suppose I want to use solid, then you can go here, and if you are refreshing this page, now you can see this is solid, right? So if you want double, simply go to here, and this is double because this is the double line, right? So whenever you are adding the collapse here, and now use this, so you can clearly see like this, and after collapsing this it is not visible here. So but whenever you are using this one, then you can like double is like by default. So by like removing the double, you can use the collapse. Okay, so like this you can use, like suppose you want to use some group, group. So let me collapse this. So now you can see whenever you are giving your bodies groups, let me comment this one. Now you can see this is some fluctuate these lines. See here, if you are zooming this out, then you can clearly see. So if I am using this 1 pixel, then you can see it is very light color. See here. Okay, so like this is these are the simple simple types which we are mainly use some like collapse, radius, and some dotted and dash. Okay, so like this we are using. So now it's clear for you, right? Okay, so dotted. Now you can see here your like color looks like this. And for this you can see your text is in align in a corner, right? If you want to align it center, then you can simply align some text line center like this. See here, text align center, like this you can use your features. Now you can see your text align is now centered, right? So this is all about the tables. So I'll give you the this recording, and you can revise these things. If you have any doubt, then we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, now yeah, now our next topic will be like we are already covered the table border, right? So there is some table size and headers, these things. These are small things which we are using. Okay, how we can use the some table sizes and table width and some table columns, how we can style that one. Okay, how we are using alternate columns for the tables like even or odd, how we can use the vertical and horizontal columns. For that we are using we are we will learn about this in tomorrow session. Okay, so there is some another features is existing about the tables. Okay, so like that we are use that one. Okay, so yeah. So now, if you have any doubt, then write down or remember this. We will discuss in tomorrow's session. Currently, you have any doubt regarding this? Hello, Devin. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, Devin. Am I audible? Can you hear me?